Good afternoon. I'm going to teach you how to create your custom dialogues by using the software Salstat2. So, first of all, you have to have some clean concepts about the dialogue. So, first of all, a dialogue, it is something like this: a square, and in the bottom of the squares you have two controls: an OK control and a cancel control. These controls are appended automatically into the dialog, so you don't have to say create this. No, it creates automatically. Okay, so the controls are appended by rows. I mean, you can add some static text. Oh, excuse me, let me move this. Okay, static text, and this is a first column, a first row, sorry. Then you can add more text, something like input your first name. Let me move this. Okay, man, let me move. Okay, listo. Input your first name and the square here, that a control where you say, oh, my name it is this or this. Okay, let's continue. So we are going to create this dialog. So in the first column we have to use brackets and say static text is the first row, sorry, and the next row has two controls: a static text control and an edit text control. If you use Salstat2, first of all you need to define the dialog. So always you have to write this dialog equals dialog and open parentheses. This is the default dialog. So you need to create controls. So the first control is a txt control that you define by using control module. Then if you don't remember the name of the control, you just need to move the arrow case and use the static text control and the default text, in this case static text. Okay, let me see. Okay, static text. So the next control, it is another static text that contains the text is input your first name. txt2 equals control static text static. By pressing control and space bar, you can again see the different options. Static text, I press the tab key. Okay, input your first name. The next control, it is an edit text control. So control dot edit, or just text control, a text control. Text control means an edit text control. And by default, no name. Okay, you have the controls. At this moment you need to group the controls. So I'm going to use list. The first list into the big list corresponds to the txt control, or the first row, txt1. Okay, my next row contains two controls, the txt to control and the edit txt control. So we need to pass these rows into the dialog. So we use dialog dot struct equals to this, and the final step is you just need to see or you watch your dialog. So dialog dot show modal, and then you just press the run script. Then you have the dialog you were searching, static text, the first row, the second row, import your first name, no name, and in the button you have two boot buttons, or don't know, excuse me my pronunciation, an OK button and a button and a cancel button, but in anywhere you specify the existence of this control because you don't need to do it. Okay, I press OK. So now I want to acquire or get the values for this dialog. So I use if dialog show modal equals to OK, or if the user press OK, then I get the values equals to dialog get value. I need to destroy the dialog. Dialog is for a good practice. Destroy, and I'm going to print that values. Print values. Okay, let's run. Okay, your first name, my name, and I press OK. It returns my name. The U before the string corresponds to identify a Unicode string. It is just a Unicode string. There's nothing more to say. Okay, let's make this bit a more complex dialog. So add a choice control. A choice control. Okay, here it is big to be a choice control, but there's no problem. So something like this, a choice. I'm going to say, what's your favorite color? So here, what's your favorite color? Something like this. Your favorite color, and you can use red, green, yellow, I don't know. So let's add this control. So here I need to add one more row with the control and txt3 control. txt3 is a static control. Let's say in this case I need to use this to indicate that it is a string. What's your favorite color? And a choice control, choice. Okay, the choice is equals to control, choice, and the options or the choices. I mean black, blue, or red, or another choice. No one, or no one. So just run. Oh, as you can see, it is easy here. Static text, import your first name. My name. What's your favorite color? Blue. Okay. Okay, sorry. So here you has my name blue. My name blue because my name is my name and blue is the color that I choose. Okay, and then I say if I press OK, then print the values. In this way, you can construct a lot of dialogues.